What's up, food lover? So we're in Houston, and my buddy, he went to the farm the other day, I think Thursday, and picked up some quail eggs. Look at these things. Very delicacy. Man, these things, you can't find them anywhere. Not even in Dallas. There's he bought about 4 bags, which is 100 eggs. And I just went to the grocery store and picked up some leafy greens, some Portlanders. These smells delicious, and also some pure pork sticks. Snacks with this is awesome. So watch out, we're about to boil it up, and let's see what they look like inside. So here we go, food lovers. Just finished boiling it. It came out like that, all hot. Got the vegetables finished, washed up. Let's try it. And crack it open. It's juicy. Got a little bird inside here. Look at this little feather. See that? That's a little quail in there. We put some salt, pepper, and some lime on that. Man, my mouth watering. Some leafy green. Stuff like that. You do a faster rate. And just like this. You just pop it in your mouth. This is delicious. You can't buy this nowhere else. Then we bought some pure pork. We call this some snack sticks on the paper, the sticker right here. Smells like garlic. Comes with a piece of garlic and a piece of pepper. Like how you eat this is just like that. Yeah. Good stuff. This one is sweet and sour. It's pretty good. If you ever in the Vietnamese store, pick you a sack of these. Try it out. Let me know in the comment below. If you're ever in Houston, pick up some of these quail. Man, these are good delicacy. I only get this in Houston. Can't get it nowhere else. But this one's a tough one. Right here. They're Quail Balut. Just like duck, but this is bite size. Just like this. Well, I'm gonna finish this up. Thanks for watching. Catch me on the other side. Later.